Hello creative friends and welcome to another Journal with Me video. Today is 29 of the Junk Journal July challenge and the prompt is contrast. I was thinking of black and white as contrasting colors. I had this card where I already cut out circles laying around. I decided to back up with white paper and use this black and white image of those cute little kittens. I also had some black and white washi tape laying around for ages, which I used to create a border. I used the card to enlarge my existing page. I had a black and white image from an old plant book, so I thought it would match perfectly with the card on the other side of the page. To create a contrast, I glued this little green plant on. As a reminder of the contrast between living and death. I found this quote that we are all a bit of dark and light. The card had already been divided into a light and a dark side, so I wrote this quote down, using black and white ink. Then I decided to back up the clothes tag, because it would perfectly fit in this small pocket I had already on my page. I also knew that I wanted to use this gorgeous black wrapping paper, as well as the leftover from the paper bag I used in one of my pages before. But the page needed a bit more color. So I came across these beautiful fruit stickers. They make the perfect addition to the page. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy creating! I look forward to speaking with you in my next video tomorrow.